I completely forgot to film an intro for this video. So, good morning, good afternoon, or good night. Hello, my dear acquaintances. If you guys are interested, I have an Etsy shop. I haven't really been promoting it much because pandemic and economic downfall, so fun. But yeah, I have an Etsy shop on a DIY face mask because most of the face masks out there I usually can't use, and I started using it on my face. So I've been making my own DIY stuff, and I decided if anybody's interested, I only have 20 in stock. I just sold one today, so yeah, whoever gets it first, link in description down below. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so first things first, in relocking my hair, I need to find the correct tool. I'm gonna see if I can find the right tool that the person used on my hair. So, wish me luck. We are going to a fabric store. So I'm looking. Oops. Oh, I think I found it. So, hold on. This tool right here. I think she used the 60 on me, but that might be too small. $8. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. She did say we could use like a 75. Oh. So we're just gonna use a 75. So I think we're gonna go ahead and purchase the 75, but she did use a 60 or a 65 on my hair, but I don't see one here. A 65 here. So we're just gonna go ahead and go with a 75 because she did say that we could have just gone with that. So seems good enough. We're gonna try to fix this little guy right here. Alright. Okay, so I have my hair that I've cut years ago. I have my hair and this lock right here and my tool. So I just did like a test run because I didn't watch any videos on how to do this. I know I should have, but I'm kind of just going out of my theory, and if it goes terribly, terribly wrong, then maybe I'll watch the video. But I'm just kind of winging it right now. And I did do a test run and I just undid it. So I'm guessing my theory is right, hopefully, on how to do it. So I just fuzzed out my ends here and fuzzed out this end, so it'll be a lot easier. And I'm going to, both hard parts, I'm gonna have them meet right here. And I did try this off camera to see if it worked, and it did. So this is how I'm gonna do it. There's other videos on how to reattach locks, but this is how I'm gonna do it because this is how it's easier for me. So I'm going to take this hook, face it however you please. Yeah, my camera's not focusing. But what I'm going to do, I'm having the hook part face me because this is easier for me. I'm piercing through the lock, grabbing the hair, and kind of pulling it through the hard part. So what I am doing is kind of pulling the fuzzy hair into the hard lock and kind of just doing that, if that makes sense. And it takes a minute to get this. So sometimes I like to wrap it around and kind of just go like that. And I've seen in some ways that people just kind of rotate it so that it goes around really nicely. So that's what I've been doing. Let's see if that works. It's hard to do this on camera, but is it sticking? It's sticking! Yes! Alright. Let's go Okay, good. Now it's better to do this in a mirror than on camera because I can't really see.
That you are the one, oh baby, be mine. I can feel it, like the rays from the sun. You bring the sunshine. I can feel it.
Seems like it's pretty good in there, but like if I wet it too much or moisturize it too much, like if it gets too soft in this area, I feel like it's gonna come out. What do you guys think? Did I do okay? Oh no. And I feel like it's pretty weak because this is where I joined it at. I should have like put it a little higher.
I can feel it. That you are the one, oh baby, be mine.
Okay, that's much better. That feels way more secure. Okay, I did it! Yay! Okay. Like I have also, I don't think I'm that comfortable enough to do one in the back. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna go for it. But yeah, this is the final look. Let me see if I need to. Let me see if I can like tighten it.
I can feel it, yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it, yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it, yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it, yeah, I can feel it. I can feel it,
I am fixing them a little bit just to tighten them because they are starting to puff out. So I'm gonna see if I can do that. Oh my gosh, let me see. Well, I don't think I really did much of a fix on this side. I'm just hoping that it's just forming and then it kind of like poofs out a little bit. I tried palm rolling it a little bit to see if that helps. Oh boy, I'm making a mess. Okay, anyway, this is the one that I did. I think I did a pretty darn good job for my first time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I know I'm just doing one, sorry, but you know, you can redo the video a bunch of times. I have relatively smaller locks. I'm in between traditional and sister locked. So that's why I usually use the smaller one. The thicker your hair is, like probably the bigger that you can use, but I think tinier kind of gets the job done a lot better and tightens it a lot better. But yeah, now my bangs are officially gone. Okay, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe since you're already here, and stay locked. Bye.
I can feel it, like the rays from the sun. You bring the sunshine.